Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make pirikara butanira yakisoba. It's Meal for One series today, and I'm making spicy yakisoba noodles with pork and garlic chive. I'm cooking it in this Ziploc container, and I'm not using knife and frying pan. So it's a very easy to make and very easy to clean, perfect meal for one. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with this yakisoba. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make one serving. Garlic chive, it's about 30 grams. 100 grams of ground pork. 1 bag of yakisoba noodles. 1 tablespoon each of soy sauce, oyster sauce, mirin, sake, and sesame oil. Half teaspoon each of sugar, doubanjan, hot bean paste, and garlic paste. Prepare a large Ziploc container and let's put pork and all these seasonings. Ground pork, sugar, mirin, sake, soy sauce, sesame oil. Oyster sauce, hot bean paste, and garlic paste. 2 tablespoons of water also into the container. And let's give it a mix. Put the lid on. You don't need to seal it tight. Just put it on like this and microwave. 2 minutes at 800 watts. Give it a mix. Put yakisoba noodles on top. Put the lid back on and microwave. 1 minute at 800 watts. Give it a mix. And let's cut the chive straight into the container. The bottom end is dried out, so let's cut it off just a little bit. Then 1 inch or so. Lid back on and microwave one last time. 1 minute at 800 watts. Give it a good mix. And it's done. Super easy. Let's serve on the plate here. And ピリ辛豚ニラ焼きそば is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. The chive balance off the fattiness of the pork and it's so good. I could have made it a little spicier. So if you like spicy food, just increase the amount of hot bean paste. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. It's meal for one, and you don't want to spend too much time cooking just for yourself. So let's keep the whole meal nice and simple. Pirikara yakisoba both here and instant miso soup here. Vegetable sticks with miso mayo dipping sauce for one of the side dishes. And let's forget about the main and the other side. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!